Hi, I'm Monalisa Pradhan. So let's discuss GATE 2021 syllabus. So what are the changes, what they added, what they deducted. So I'll just compare the previous syllabus with the new one. So previously this was the math syllabus. So there was 4 section in math. So like discrete math, linear algebra, calculus, probability. Here also same. And just in discrete math, they just added mono ID. So actually mono ID, that is a part of group. You cannot say they are added. They just specify you also cover mono ID. So in mathematics, no more changes. Just they specify is mono ID. That's it. Next is digital logic. In digital logic, no changes. It is same. You can say it is Boolean algebras, combination, sequential circuit, minimization, number representation, computer arithmetic. So previously also it was same. Okay, so in digital logic, no changes. Next, computer organization. So computer organization, I have specified what the changes. They just started pipeline hazard. Previously, it was just instruction pipelining. They started pipeline hazard. Actually, pipeline hazard, that is part of instruction pipeline. Even last year when I was teaching in GET coaching center, I covered pipeline hazard. So it is a part of instruction pipeline. So this is specify you also cover pipeline hazard. Okay, with instruction pipeline. Next is programming in data structure, and in programming data structures no changes. So previously it was programming C, recursion, array, stack, queue, linked list tree, binary search tree, binary heap and graph. So now also it is same. So in programming data structure no change. Next is algorithm. In algorithm also no change. So previously what was, here also same. Next is TOC. So in TOC no syllabus change. So previously it was regular expression, finite automata, context-free grammar, push-down automata, regular and context-free language, pumping lemma, Turing machine, undecidability. Now also it is same, no changes. So next is compiler. In compiler there is some changes. So previously it was lexical analysis, parsing, syntax translation, then runtime environment, intermediate code generation. So now with that they added local optimization, data flow analysis, constant propagation, liveness analysis, common sub-expression elimination. So now they added this part. So this is actually part of code optimization. So in a compiler design, there are some pages like lexical, syntax, semantic, intermediate code generation. Next is intermediate code optimization. So these are part of code optimization. So actually, when I was teaching in GET, I already cover all these. Okay, so you can say they specify you also cover code optimization. These are part of optimization. You also cover code optimization. You cannot say they have added. They have elaborate. Okay, you also covered this specify. You also covered this previously. Also, a question come from this. Okay, next is operating system. Previously, so they started process, thread, inter-process communication, concurrency, and synchronization, deadlock, CPU scheduling, memory management, virtual memory file system. But now they added system call. So actually there was a function that is called fork function, fork, that is fork function, and previously get question also come from this. And when I was teaching in get coaching, I also taught that specific fork function. So now they specify you also covered that actually. And here with CPU scheduling they had an IO scheduling. Actually in example we have already solved CPU and IO scheduling. So now they just specify with CPU you also cover IO scheduling. So next is database. Database no changes. It is same as previous. So this is the new syllabus. You can see the previous syllabus. It is same. Word to word it is same. Next is computer networking. So previously they have just written concept of layering, but now they have specified OSI and TCP/IP protocol stack. Then previously they have just specified switching. So now they added a basic of packet circuit, then virtual circuit switching. Then in data link layer, previously it was just error correction, error detection and all this. So like it was just flow control and error control technique. Now they specify framing, then a medium access control, Ethernet bridging. Then routing protocol, previously it was just distance vector and link state. So now they have added shortest path and forwarding. Then fragmentation and IP addressing. Actually all these were previously there, but they didn't specify that. Then basics of IP support protocol like ARP, DSCP, ICMP. So that was not there previously. So IP support protocol, so it was not there. Then network address translation, that was also not there, network address translation. And next, transport layer also like flow control, congestion control, that was there. EDP TCP socket, then application layer protocol, that was also there. And another thing, this network security, like authentication, basic public key, private key, cryptography, digital signature, they remove total network security. So now in new GET syllabus, so this is the new GET syllabus, there is no security part, they just totally remove that. Okay, so you can say from networking they just remove some part, and compiler they just added some part. Rest of the subject are same, so they just elaborate, they specify what to cover, what to not cover. So I think just these changes are good for the GET 2021. So good luck, thank you.